Hey, what's going on, everybody? So I just bought an Atari from Atari, the 2600 Plus package thing, and I got some extra stuff. So we're gonna do an unboxing right quick, see what all we got. If I can get in this box. All right. So the very first thing in the box is the Atari 2600 Plus. The 2600 Plus plays all the games of the 2600 and the 7800, and it's got an HDMI port in the back, so the red, white, and yellow cable thing, like if your TV don't have it, or for some reason that my TV, that stuff doesn't work, HDMI, you'll have everything in there. What else comes with the package? I got the paddles and 4 games that come with it. So it's got Breakout, Canyon Bomber, Night Driver, and Video Olympics. So that came with it. And then, oh, okay. Actually, so it's got 2 extension cables that came with it for the joysticks. It's got an Atari gamepad, which is kind of like the old Nintendo pad thing. And then I got a joystick. So, all right. So we'll go ahead and open up the Atari 2600 Plus. Comes in a great big old bag. And I was concerned because I ordered a joystick, 2 joysticks, well, an extra joystick, one for me and one for my wife. And I was like, where the hell did the other joystick go? I think it's inside here. So actually what I bought was an extra joystick. Oh wow. Okay, so there's the Atari 2600. There's the HDMI port. So there's the HDMI port. But you put all your games in there and play them. And then it seemed like that was bigger when I was a kid, like you know what I mean? It probably wouldn't, but you know, everything for your past seems like it was bigger when you see it again. Okay, so this comes with 10 games also. Adventure, Combat, Dodge 'em, Haunted House, Maze Craze, Missile Command, Video Pinball, Surround, Really Sports Volleyball, and Yards Revenge. So don't do like I did and buy a bunch of games while you're waiting to open this stuff and get it, because you might already have it that came with your machine. And then, Jesus Christ. Atari, I got it going on. Yeah. So, there's a joystick. It comes with it. And then it's got a piece of paper and another box. What's in this box? Alright, so it's got HDMI cables, but I bought a 50-foot HDMI cable so we could put the Atari on our couch, like the coffee table at our couch, and just plug the games in. But it comes with an HDMI cable and a USB cable. I don't know why it needs a USB cable. So that's all of that. And I'll open an extension cable just so you can kind of see that. See how that works. It's an extension to your joystick cable is what it looks like. I got 2 of those, so I'll just open one. Okay. So, yep, just make sure joystick cable's longer. And I didn't really want that because all the old Atari games I used to play when I was a kid, you know, you just use those old joysticks. So I never used these. They kind of look like the old NES system. Okay. So we'll take a look at it. You can kind of see how big it is. Oh, it comes with an extra, oh, not an extra knob. It comes with the knob, not screwed into it. Okay, so yeah, it's kind of like an old Nintendo thing. I don't particularly care for it. I don't like the way that feels. But you can also put the extension in there. Alright, so let's see how these games look. What they did with that. It's a great big box with one cartridge in it so far. And it's got set dip switches. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. But it's got dip switches. Oh, I know what's in here. I know what's in here. Those paddles for Pong and Circus. They're in here. Alright, cool. What else? Anything else? No, that's it. And then let's see if there's anything crazy in the extra joystick box. Besides the joystick. No. Joystick, cable. And that looks just like I remember them. So anyway, that's what comes inside your box. That's everything that comes in the 2600 plus package from Atari. It was like $205 for everything. So I already kind of got my collection going. I got some Atari games. This is like a 10-pack Atari Arcade 2. So it's got Berserk, Frenzy, Lost Tomb, Minefield, Moon War, Rescue, Tasmania, Fire Truck, Dark Planet, Maze Invaders. And then I've got, what the hell's in, oh, Space Invaders, Defender, Asteroids. I got Berserk again. Hell, I got it twice. And I accidentally bought a ColecoVision Frogger. But I got some more games coming. But anyway, so this is the unboxing. And I'll have links. And you can buy them and get all the stuff that I got too in the description. Thanks for watching.